Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy JTH, back again with another video. My first video of 2024. Oh man, last year I know I was slacking, lazy. I barely posted a lot. Seemed like I posted a lot on 2021, 2020, and 2022. I need to get back on here. I really miss you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. All the likes that I received and all the subscribers that I did receive. I don't know, but I am working on a new project, so that kind of like slowed me down. But I don't want to use that as an excuse to say that I'm being lazy, because that's just, that's just other stuff, whatever. Anyway, so guys, I got this video, right? So I got this GoPro 10, right? I had it for like going on 2 years since it first came out. That's one thing I can't stand about GoPro, and I'm sure a lot of people can't either. I love their products, but for some reason, one thing I just can't stand is these feet, right? These feet right here, I can't stand these things. GoPro need to do something better with these. I know this is what they've been using since day one, but we should have different options though. So I stumbled on a website called Ulanzi. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. I don't sponsor them. They don't sponsor me or anything. I did stumble on it, and I seen something about where you could change the feet of the GoPro, and I'm very excited to even try it. So 2 weeks ago I was at a birthday party, and I was filming because I kind of like do editing on the side. So I was editing certain things, right? And I kind of forgot this thing here, right? It's where the feet go into, and I was so mad. Sorry about that. I was so mad at the fact that I forgot about this, and I'm out there just recording like this because I didn't have my tripod. It wouldn't fit my tripod because I'm missing the, this little piece. So I'm like this recording. I mean, it came out pretty good, but still, I was so mad the fact that I forgot this. Usually I always carry this, and I have a case, right? I do have a GoPro case, which I got from Amazon. I have 2 batteries to power, to charge my batteries. I have a tripod, but for some reason I didn't check my case before I left, and I forgot this here, and I was so mad. This little short that I carry around, so I can record, do certain things. You just, you can remove the top, you can remove it, put it back, and it's magnet. So I'm out there, like I said, just running around like this, so that it was kind of funny. But it does got a stabilizer on the 10, which is good. But the fact that I forget this, like I said, I was so mad. It was a birthday party that I was supposed to record, and I did a good job. I think I did a good job, but it wasn't the first time that happened. I purchased like 3 of these before, and I lost all 3 in a matter of like 3 months, 3 of them. But since I stumbled on this company right here, I was able to purchase one of their products. I'm gonna post it on the bottom. So I just want to do a small unboxing right now. Nothing else. Come wrapped up like this. Got this small certificate that it come with, and this is what it comes with. So this is pretty small, and what it does do. So what I needed, since I have a tripod that I carry a phone tripod. See how the little screw thing you got right here. So this here it's a magnet. You can actually connect it to the DJI Action Pro 4, I think it's called. I want to get that one too. You can actually connect it. You can actually use their tripod to connect this on there, which is good because it's a magnet. And with DJI's garbage screw things, I can't stand. They need to change it. I know they've been rocking that forever, but they need to change that to give us the different options. So this one has feet too. I remember how to do it. Okay, I do. Come on. Sorry about that. Getting messages all over the place. Okay, so that the feet. You can see the feet right dangling right here, right? And then it has where you can screw it in the back, which is even better. And you can see, don't break. It's very durable too. And you can see the little magnets, see the little silver magnet things? That should connect to anything that's magnetic, right? Which is good. That's what I like about the Action Pro 4. Okay, so right now I'm finna go and unscrew. It come with screws, right? And a screwdriver. Funny looking screwdriver. Let's do this. I don't know why I'm nervous. So weird. I haven't been on here for so long, so that got me nervous. So this is a screwdriver. Come with a star, both sides. So it's a star screwdriver. That's what you're gonna. Come on, you zoom in. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. So nice of them to give you one of these, because you're definitely gonna need it, as you can see there. Come on. Whenever one to zoom in, but these. Whatever. There you go. Okay, take some time. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna so the screws, as you can see. Don't look at me. You can see them right here. Right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I was able to remove the GoPro feet. Still got the 4 screws attached to it. I'm gonna leave those on there, so if I do ever return back to this thing, which I doubt it. So here's the new ones, right? It's very tricky because the screws kind of get stuck to the feet of these though. So it's gonna take you some time. All right, so this is how it looks, guys. See it? The bottom, the feet. I'm about to test it on my tripod right now. Tripod. See the little duck feet? All right, let me try it. I like the fact that it stands. It still can stand. That's what's up. All right, let's see how this works. Wow, you yes. I'm so happy. Boom, look at that. Come on, man, I'm so happy, y'all. Do y'all see how that looks? Damn, I'm really excited, guys, about that. All right, now let's see how it looks with the take these off. All right, take them off. Let's put the original GoPro feet attachment, whatever these things call. Okay, it fits in there. Okay. Okay, look at that. I think I should have put it on here first. Bruh. See that metal piece thing fell out. I gotta go get this thing. Kidding me? Wow, that's crazy. I didn't know those could come out. I need to glue that in. Stupid thing. Might be a little hassle, but you know what? I ain't gonna let no little hassle stop my shine today. There you go. Come on there. Come on there. Don't even play with me like that. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. Y'all see that? See how it works now? Turn it on. Boom. See that GoPro? Come on, boy. Look at that, boy. Y'all see that? Look at that. Just look at that. It works. It works, baby. Yeah. This was the original, right? Slide that in the bag. Put it back in the bag. Just put this one in the bag. Put the screwdriver. Nice. Everything's in there. I keep it. I'll put in the GoPro in case I have. Put it right back in there like I'm about to ship it back out. Right? Yeah. So this is it, man. Dang, that was awesome. I really like this. Yo, I really like this. You can GoPro, you can turn off. Thank you for coming out. Yeah, thank you. Take this back out. I really like this. I like the fact that it's magnetic, right? So you got, look how many options I got. I can still use the little duck feet, right? Still use it. You can still screw it right here in the middle. Forgot what that's called. Sorry about that, guys. Forgot what that's called. Don't kill me, right? I think I got my tripod for it. So it's just a metal piece. Nice. I'm happy, man. I'm just excited right now. No lie. I'm very excited, guys. Man, I'm happy. So Ulanzi, whatever your name is, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it, guys. This really helped me out a lot with my GoPro now. I'm able to go out and shoot better content. So this came handy. I'm happy it did pop up on my timeline. And look at it. And I finally got it. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy G. Take care. I think I'm back. I got more videos to come to be posting. I'm gonna say thank you guys again. You guys have an amazing night. Happy New Year, guys. All right.